So it's been a while since I did my last video, and I did want to do another video a lot sooner, however, didn't happen. So instead, I have this to unbox. Unfortunately, someone's already opened it. Now, I brought the iron I'm currently using, which is this homemaker, like cheap Kmart POS. Does the job fine, so I haven't bothered replacing it with something better, but the reason for this one is that I'm looking at making some smaller things with sewing, and I wanted an iron to, well, help me with that. So I got this, which turned out to be too big, but for this video, it's just perfect. So with this unboxing, I thought I might try it out and show you the difference. Anyway. Now, I will say this, I do like the way this box is designed. It allows you to put everything back into it without having too much of a trouble. And now another thing I will also add before I continue on is that I am trying out a new cable for my phone to make sure that it's hopefully not going to be getting those pop noises. So, it turns out this one does actually have a manual. Where's the cable? So Teflon, and blah blah blah. Adjustable steam, adjustable temperature control, indicator lighter on, collapsed handle, easy storage, 50 mil. Blah. Ooh. What was that? Well, I definitely wasn't expecting that. They can't even put the label on properly. Okay. So this is where I get concerned. So it has a switch for the 230 and 115 volt settings. So I'm going to set it to that and plug this in, and hopefully it doesn't go boom. Nope. Okay. So leave it plugged in, just turn it off, and compare it to the size of my other iron, which, don't want to spill that. As you can see, there's a bit of a difference. But perfect size for the new, well, setup. Now I'll just put some water in here. And I will unplug the iron, because you never know with these things. Well, that's sketchy as all hell. Oh, that warmed up quickly. Alright, so how do you put water in this bloody thing? Wow, the light is fading fast here. Oh, there we go. Now, Alright, so I'm going to assume that that's now as much as you can fit in there. Ooh, that damage on that cable I'm not happy about. Especially with this being brand bloody new. Oh. So that voltage switch, that's concerning. Alright, so let's set this to cotton, which is what this is, as my, oh. Wow. That takes no time to warm up. Takes a little while to heat the water up though. Well, it works. I'll give it that much. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Unplug it. And say that I really wish that that switch wasn't there, because damn. Okay, so that's definitely leaking. I really hope that was because I was hitting the button too much. Yeah, that's still hot. Wow. Okay, so yeah, it's unboxing and testing of this Semco steam iron, 800 watts. Anyway, yibbity yibbida.